Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Rich for WELSHYTECH. Today we'll be checking out a product from Neewer. This is the PA009 Universal Phone Cage Kit. Okay, so this is the Neewer PA009. This is a universal phone cage. If you're a creator and you use your mobile or your phone, then this is what you'd buy. Now, yes, there are other competitors out there, like SmallRig, that do these. But I found with Neewer, they have very good quality, but they also don't charge an arm and a leg. Now, as for this particular one, this one is made out of aluminium or aluminum for you Americans. So you get the manual book, which just tells you how to basically construct it, really. Just shows you how to do it, and then it's also in different types of languages. Now, like I said, it's made out of aluminium, so it's very strong, very sturdy. And this one, this is how you adjust for your phone size, which I will show you a demonstration. Now that's what that phone's there for. And you can adjust this part. This part right here, as you can see, there's little threads there. You use this to move it from side to side. So that's quite cool. Now it's got all these threaded holes here. This is primarily by here. These are for the pistol grips, which are there. But as you can see, it's got these holes here as well, or these little gaps in the, or little grooves. These are for lights, LED lights. But here then you could put up like a microphone, or you can use adapters, universal adapters that put screws into the threads, and then you use that then to mount more lights or a microphone. You can put anything primarily on there. Now, as for the pistol grips, yes, pistol grips, I think that's very cool. Now, this is what attracted me to the one I've got. Now, the pistol grips is fantastic for stabilization. That's the only reason why I bought it. Now, this has got the same grooves as inside the cage, like that. This is for a light. Then you've got 3 threaded holes. That'll be for other accessories you can buy, which Neewer do have a lot of different accessories, but you can buy universal ones as well. Now, then at the bottom end, it does have the Allen key, which is to screw on the cage. Now, you take these out, which, as you can see, they have the Neewer brand in there. Now let's move this box. And as for the cages, now as you can see, this cage here is the one I purchased myself. It's the same exact cage, but this is like the revision one. This one then is like an updated version of this. Now what I'm going to say, what I'm going to say is the pistol grips on my one I bought are a lot heavier, much heavier, much more sturdier, and they're just a lot heavier, which generally does help when it comes to stabilization. These ones do feel a little bit lighter, but this one is an updated version, so obviously it's to cut costs. And as you can see, the frames are very different from the previous version to this one. This one right here is the one I use primarily for all my videos. I use it for my mobile, and as you can see, it's got all these threaded holes, and as you can see, I've used it a lot. It's got different attachments, different holes, different grooves. It's got different positioning for it, and also it's pretty much flat. This one obviously is the case. This part here, you can put a strap there, you can mount different things there, and this one's actually removable. As you can see there, it does come with Allen key heads there. You move this back and forth. Now let's get into a demonstration of how you construct it. Okay, so what you want to do is take it like that. Now, what I'm going to tell you is why they've got Allen keys at the bottom. It's because of the side there. As you can see, it's got Allen key heads. That's to adjust the pistol grip positioning. So this is a more of a natural comfort for myself, which is just straight on there, but you can adjust it to however your needs are needed. So this is how you connect it up. It's just all threaded, really. It's really easy to use, and this is universal, so that means it'll fit pretty much every single phone. As for a demonstration of what phones it does, now this is an old phone, this is just for demonstration purposes. So you put it in like this, making sure it's straight. You put it down like that, and all it does really is just keeps your phone in position. So that's what the pistol grips are for. It's for stabilization, like I said. As you can see from mine's very similar, but this is more of an updated, cheaper version. My one's got a very heavier pistol grips. They look almost the same, but as you can see, they are a bit longer, and obviously they have got more attachment or more threads there for different attachments, and they are a little bit different, just like the cage is a bit different. Okay then, so what is the conclusion? What do I think of this cage? Well, I think it has a lot of flexibility when it comes to adapting things. Obviously it's a universal cage, so it will support every single phone. I have put my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in this, and trust me, it does fit. It fits just perfect. Like I said, I do like the tightening mechanism. That's one thing that I don't like about the one I purchased myself, but it was the only one I could afford at the time. Now, I've got 3 cages here. One that's from Small Rig. That was the one I used previously before that one, but I bought that one specifically, the one behind here, because it came with pistol grips, and the one with Small Rig doesn't. So you're holding the cage of gas, not very comfortable. The pistol grips is what made it a purchase for me, and I did not want to spend like £100 for the full cage, like the cage as well as the pistol grips, and I did not want to spend £15 on one of these. Just one of these from Small Rig. Just the pistol grip itself with the adapter part for it is like £15 to £20. I thought, no, I'm not paying that. So, 35 quid. This on Amazon was the newer one, but it came with both of them included, so I thought it was a very good pricing. This one is a tad more expensive, but to be fair, this one has a lot more in terms of adaptability. You can adapt so many different universal threading. Now, I use the universal threads, which I've got one by here on my one. That one is for a light, so it stays there. Now, I've had it on both sides, but took one off. Now, that's what it's good about. I like that because you can buy universal kits. I think it was like £8, and it came with like 12 of these and different type of threading. So it's adaptable for cameras as well, which is fantastic. But yeah, look, this is a good product. I think if you're a content creator or someone wants to get into doing content creation, I think this is definitely a good buy for you. And whether you agree or not, that's up to you. But I'd like to say a big thank you to Neewer for sending this out. I do like the collaboration between us because they have products here that I'm truly interested in personally. Whether you're interested or not, that's up to you. But me personally, I like the little gadgets, the accessories and stuff that I get to buy to use for making content. Now, this will probably be used moving forward because this one is a lot better than mine, primarily because of this part here, which allows me to tighten down my phone. But I've got 2, so I can always use both of them. So yeah, look, this was just a Sunday video. I thought you guys would enjoy, just something quick, just a bit more showing you the behind the scenes of me, because I don't show a lot of myself through video. You guys can get to know me a bit more. This is just something I'm genuinely interested in, which is these kind of accessories you need for making content. So yeah, look, don't forget to subscribe because I've got absolute tons of stuff. I've got a Z890 motherboard from Intel here to review, which is an ASRock. I've got absolute tons of AIOs. I've got loads of stuff here, and I've got more stuff coming for review. So make sure you subscribe. This is Richard for WELSHYTECH. I hope you got a fantastic weekend and week ahead of you. Goodbye.